Hi, I'm Wei Ling. Today's topic is how to practice Mandarin speaking online. Top 3 reasons not to take online open classes. Taking online open classes to practice Mandarin speaking is many Mandarin learners' first choice. It's perfect that you don't need to travel and you have a teacher to correct your pronunciation and to answer questions. However, I'm going to challenge you, sharing top 3 reasons not to do that. First, poor efficiency. When taking online open classes, chances are you are not the only student in the class. You are sharing the time with other classmates. Because the teacher needs to consider other students, needs to give them time to practice too. So, in a long run, compared with taking one-on-one class, you spend the same amount of time, but get less chance to practice speaking. Although the price is lower, you will get poor efficiency. Second, can be customized. Let's say because you are going to Taiwan next week, you want to practice the conversations for going through immigration in the open class. I'm not saying you absolutely won't get the chance, but since it's an open class, the teacher needs to consider other students. She or he can customize the class every time when you need it. Third, you need to follow the pace. To consider the whole class, if you have any questions about the content, most likely the teacher won't hold the classes to explain every detail until you understand completely. If you are a faster learner, that's not a big no. However, if you know that you need more time to comprehend a new skill, taking online open classes might not be your best choice. As always, every cloud has a silver lining. Next episode, I'm going to talk about how to practice Mandarin speaking online. Top 3 reasons to take online open classes. Final, a question for you. The rest of life, you want to continue learning Mandarin slowly on social media, or you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills fast and then use it to achieve your dream. Click the link below to download Wei Ling Mandarin free one-on-one online speaking tutoring class right now. I'm Wei Ling. Good luck on your Mandarin journey.